Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and today we are looking at the official footage of the all-new 2020 Audi RS5 Sportback. So this is the facelifted version, and I'm sure you'll notice the new matrix LED lights as well as the new single frame grille, which is all black when you go for the black pack that this car in the video has. Now moving on to the side, you have a more aggressive appearance thanks to the 40mm wider wheel arches compared to the regular one. And also gold wheels are a nice detail, and yes, they do come like this from the factory now for the first time. And at the rear you have a new illumination of the lights and slightly different diffuser, but the rest pretty much the same as on the predecessor. I love the dual exhausts, and later you can hear how the car sounds. But tell me in the comments, would you go for the coupe or the Sportback? I must say I prefer the coupe. I think it's more sporty, but this is more elegant, so tell me in the comments which one would you take. The interior is both elegant and sporty, as you would expect from a car like this. In front of the driver there's a well-known Audi digital dashboard with different views. The steering wheel now has the RS button, which enables the RS mode. Now the driver controls everything from the new main screen, the 10.1 inch. It's a touchscreen, but rotary push button that used to be in the middle of the car is now gone. Sportback is a bit more practical than the coupe, so you have the two extra doors, more space, and also the boot space is very solid. It has around 465 liters. The engine on the facelifted version remains the same, so 2.9 liter V6 producing 450 horsepower. A big thumb up for that engine. I had a chance to drive 2018 RS5 with the same engine, and it's very impressive in terms of acceleration. So tell me in the comments, what do you think about this Sonoma green color in combination with gold wheels, and overall what do you think about this car? As always, thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel, plenty of more car videos, car news coming your way. See you on the next one. Bye bye.